Hi, this is a short video which just outlines how you can import audio into Google Slides so it acts like a voiceover for your Google Slide. The first thing is you can't directly record audio in Google Slides itself. So you have to actually use a third-party software to do this, and you need to ensure that your third-party software records in a audio format called MP3. So I'm going to give you a website that does all of that for you, and it's free and easy to use. So this is my presentation. It's about computational thinking, and I've decided I want to record audio of my voice explaining what the learning intention is or about the presentation for my students. So the first thing I'm going to do is record my audio. I think I'll do the audio on this slide. So what is the learning intention? I go to my third-party software. So in this case, it's a website called Online Voice Recorder. So if I type that into my address bar, or in this case, I'll just click on the window. When you arrive at your at the website, you will have an opportunity to record your audio. You do this by pressing on the red microphone button. So I'm just going to record my voice saying, "Hello students, the learning intention for today's lesson is to explore the idea of computational thinking." So I've recorded my message and it appears like that. I can modify this. So right now there's a lot of noise at the beginning and noise at the end. So I can trim it or edit it, and I can just do that by moving these bars along here. And once I'm happy with it, I can listen to it. Computational. Beautiful. I'm happy with that. I'm going to hit save, and it appears at the bottom there or in my downloads folder. I'm going to open up in my folder. So I'm going to show in folder to see exactly where it recorded, and you can see it's there in my downloads folder. I'm going to start by renaming it. So I'm just going to call it LISC, and it's going to save it. The next thing I need to do is import this MP3 file or LISC audio into my Google Drive. So I'm just going to split my screen, and you might have a better way of uploading. I mean, this is just how I do it when I work with multiple screens. And I go into my Google Drive. In my Google Drive, I've created an audio files folder. So I'll click on that, and I'm just going to drag and drop that file inside there. And you can see that it's uploading it, and the ticks show me that it's uploaded. So now it's waiting for me in my Google Drive. Next, I'm going to go back to my slideshow so I can add that sound into my slideshow. So I go into the slide that I want to import the sounds on, and there's one already there. I'll just delete it. I go to Insert, Audio, and then it automatically looks for any audio files in my Google Drive that are MP3s. So that's it there. That's the one I want to use. I select it, and then I hit the select box. And what will happen is a little icon will appear, a little play button icon, and you can see it's selected there in a blue square. I can make that bigger, so it's a little bit small for me at the moment. So I'm just going to drag it and make it bigger. I can play it. Hello students, the learning intention for... So I'm happy with that. And then on this side, I've got audio options or audio playback options. So at the moment, it's formatted to play when I click on it, but I want it to automatically play. So when I present and this slide appears, it will automatically start playing. So I'm happy with that. So let's test it out. So I'm just going to present and move over. Hello students, the learning intention for today's lesson is to explore the idea of computational thinking. Okay, and that's basically how you do it. And I can just now do another audio file for the next slide or for all the slides, which depending on how many slides I want to record. Thank you.